Good afternoon, sir. How does it feel to leave Mau, first of all? Now, how was Mau?
Mahu was very nice, was very good to me. So I had a tenure of about 2 years here, and this was my first posting. So as a first posting, I could not have expected any better than Mahu, because it gave me a diverse set of work experiences and all sort of work experiences, from conducting big national level events to doing a lot of developmental work, as well as handling a lot of law and order situations and conducting elections, and also every type of experience which I think was possible as an SDM, I was able to gain through Mahu, and it felt really good to have worked here, and especially the developmental works which I was able to do in the field of health, in the field of education. These are certain things that will stay with me forever. So especially the work which we did in our rural areas with respect to hospital facilities, the nutritional rehabilitation center which we built, which is the state-of-the-art center, the best in Indore division, as well as the library which we built in Mahungaon, which is today being used by more than 70 students. So these are things that will stay with me forever, and experiences that through which I was able to really gain a lot of satisfaction, because I was able to see the good work it did in the society. So Mahu in that sense was very, very good to me and very kind to me.
So we are very grateful to you for the library project, as I am talking as a student here. So any piece of advice you have for the youngsters of Mau?
Well, the only piece of advice I have is that as a youngster, you should be aiming for the very top in your life. Please do not settle for mediocrity. You are the children of Mahu, and Mahu is a very good place. Mahu has a lot of scope for learning, has a lot of Indore is near, you have a lot of scope to get into various kind of services, to get into various kind of works which you can contribute to the society. So there is an atmosphere in Mahu which I think can enable our youth to work for the society, to work for the betterment of the nation. And if I'm just saying that please never ever settle for mediocrity in your life. Always aim for the very best in whichever field you decide to go, and the administration will always be there to support you. I'm pretty sure the administration, the coming administration and all, will be looking for such ventures, will be looking for such incentives that would be able to promote your education in the field of sports and all. So I'm pretty sure that for the youth of Mahu, there's a lot of things to be excited about, and I'm pretty sure that they are going to be playing a huge role in the in nation building in the coming years. So very excited to see what the people of Mahu, what the youth of Mahu do. And like I said, please never settle for mediocrity. Always aim for the top, because you are special and you have potential here. And this in Mahu, you will always have an enabling atmosphere.
Thank you so much, sir, for the message, and we wish you the very best. And we hope to see you soon, someday, maybe back in Mau. But yeah, thank you so much for everything.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.